doing a little hike in. Got our old buddy Trailblazer Tim with us today. We're going to set up a couple of cheap hammocks, do a little cheap hammock challenge, then we're going to do a little breakfast in the swamp. So stay with me. Made it. Man, Tim brought the house. Well, at least we're at the camp. We'll get this going in a couple of minutes. Alright, I got a dip in my new pack with me today. My $5 Fuzzies pack, which is a copy of an M36 Musette pack. And it's got these unpadded straps, so wasn't the greatest pack in the world, but you know, it got here and it carried my hammock and stuff. This is going to be good for lighter stuff, but it kind of sucks for heavier stuff. So, but hey, we made it. Gotta have coffee. All right, so here's an example. Here's my stuff, and there, well, my coffee's going, and there's Tim's stuff. No wonder it was so heavy coming in, man.
It's a test.
It is a test. There's all Tim's stuff. There's my stuff.
What it's going to feel like to do, maybe a week-long hike or something.
We should do a week-long Florida trail. We got to test these hammocks out in a few minutes and see how it's going to do it. But first of all, we got to get some coffee. So mine's almost done. Woo. Man, that thing's hot. Good spot for hammocks out there.
I'm making breakfast.
I don't know how you get that son of a bitch in there. Jeez. Alright, let's see how the old... Ah, look at that. Hey, dude. The GIs were right. If I would do it right, it would work even better. You got a can opener?
Not with me.
All right. All right, I got some sausages going. Da 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 da. Those are gonna fry up nicely. I'm hoping. I think they're already frying. Oh, look at this. Oh man. We should have stayed here last night. Alright. I'm working on the frying pan and the little smoky sausages. Tim's down there on the ground getting this Farfignugan stove going, or whatever it's called. And I got corned beef hash, sausage, and eggs. So I'll be right back. This is what I'm talking about on Sunday morning. Wow. Tim is right next to me on his gas stove. We already got coffee in the canteen cups, so I wouldn't disappoint anybody. I know how everybody likes to see my canteen cups. Wow. This corned beef hash is the cheapest they had in the store. $2.19 for this big can. It's going right in that sausage grease. All right, hold on. Are you going? Yeah. All right, we got corned beef hash, and we got the sausage all done over there, man. This is awesome. All right, I got kind of corned beef hash soup here. Because I left too much grease in the bottom. But that's all right. I'm just going to put it in my canteen cup when I get it done. But it is looking good. Meanwhile, what you hear sizzling is Tim's sausage and eggs. So, and this is not the dual breakfast challenge this time. This is just breakfast. Now we got the eggs on. Man, we're getting close. Wow, now we're getting sunny side up. Ooh, this is almost done. All right, buddy. This is close. All right. Look at that. All right, so Tim, what do you got for us today?
Got some Cajun style andouille, which is sausage. It's over easy eggs. Eating it out of my 1966 mess kit, Army issued mess kit. And those suckers are pretty spicy.
Yeah. There's some over easy eggs. I got 2 fried eggs, a bunch of little brown and served sausage, and some greasy corned beef hash. And I still got some in my canteen cup. So we are going to sit here and eat breakfast, and then we're going to go get in them hammocks. This should be fun. Alright, here we go with the old Russi mosquito hammock with my improvised straps and my little stick modification on the mosquito net. That don't look too bad, does it? You just clip it right on. Piece of cake. Now, I'm going to get in it. This could be funny. Alright. It ain't the easiest thing to get into, but it's not the hardest. Come on, mosquitoes. Now if I could just not get seasick after breakfast in this swinging hammock. This is pretty comfortable. Hey Tim, mine ain't bad. How's yours? Cool. We're gonna go over and check Tim's out in a little while. All right, about 20 yards away from my hammock is Tim's. And Tim is laying in his playing a harmonica. You can't see him under there. Tim got a chill gorilla rainfly on his. It's only about 110 degrees at 9:15 in the morning, but we got it pretty tough.
What's up?
Alright, that's about it for the Cheap Hammock Challenge. We're breaking down our stuff here. Getting ready to go back because it's about 9:35 and it is getting hot and we are sweating. So, coming to you from the swamp, this is the old Florida boy Matt, the old Florida boy, and Trailblazer Tim saying, we'll see you next time.